Hello, good morning, friends. Uh, Today I will let you know regarding the registration of Neobux account. Okay, so it's actually a simple followed by a simple few steps. You can register in this Neobux, okay, and earn huge amount of money in terms of dollars, and after that you can convert it to your country's region's currency. Okay, so this is Neobux. Okay, actually I will take some reference over here. Okay, this is the reference link. Okay, actually I am taking this reference link, clicking on this reference link, and going to register. Okay, going to register here because I need to register in this Neobux account, okay, to start my work. Okay, so I am going to this register. Okay, today I will show you this demo how to register in Neobux and how to earn money in this. Okay, especially how to register. And Neobux is a platform that you provide, the platform of PTC site, that is paid to click actually, and Cloudflower task is also there in this, to in which by which you can earn huge amount of money. Okay, so see over here the username, or what user ID you have to provide, you let to enter that. Okay, let I enter. Okay, I entered RK party, and the password. Okay, the password is let I save it as something as okay, confirmed. Okay, and the email ID I will take as my email ID. This is the email ID. Okay, okay, I have taken this. Actually I will make it a different one. Okay, like this I am making it a longer one, so not an issue with this. Okay, so I am entering okay, over here I entered this RKPADHY12, the same Gmail account that I will receive over here, the confirmation code. Okay, the birth year. Okay, I could enter as my birth year as it is. Thereafter it is given the captcha you have to enter. Okay, you have to enter the captcha, and again you have to declare the terms and condition. Now you have to simple continue it. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, it is telling that we have sended the verification code to this ID. Let us check that whether it's sended or not. Okay, let me check. Still not came. The validation code to be entered here. Okay, still not came. Let I check in this. In this also it not came. Okay, in primary still it is not came. Let I check it in spam and all that, if it goes. No, in spam is also not there, so I have to wait. Okay, I have to wait till then I can enter. I could enter this thing actually, L, B and H. Okay, now the validation code, actually I require this thing, else the registration process will be not be completed. Okay, let I refresh this thing. No, Still not came, because the validation code should be there. Am I RKPADHY12, RKPADHY12? Okay, the same thing it is. Okay, the mail should be there. Still not came. Still it is loading. Okay, fine. Okay, bingo, I got this new registration ID. Okay, I will simply copy and paste this validation code over here. Okay, I pasted over here. Now I will do the finish registration process. Okay, so you have seen it is off to only see over here. Congratulations message came, and what the thing is, only 2 minutes work is this, not less than 2 minutes actually. Only the time it taken that my mail is not there in this. Okay, now I will log in it. Okay, and my ID will be the ID that I have taken over here. What is my ID over here? Actually it is not given. What I have taken, RKPADHY123456. Okay, then my password, I will not say it definitely, because I have to. Okay, now I will log in it. Let's see guys what happens. Okay, I will do it never. Okay, fine. See over here guys, we have made it this thing, we have created the account, and now we are ready to work on this. Okay, this is the new, totally new portal that I have registered. Okay, so it's a nice now to work in this Neobux platform. Okay, so I have let you know actually that how to create this Neobux account. Actually, see over here, all these banners, the statistics and all that they have given. Okay, so in this view advertisement section, you can go and view the advertisements to earn money. Okay, over here, see over here, it is showing as $0.00. Okay, that means what? Actually I am new to this Neobux, so it is showing. Okay, now I will click it over here. Now I will view the ads. Okay, now the first ad is this actually worth how much? They will pay us 0.001 cents. Okay, means how much it happens? It is near about in the Indian currency, it is near about how much? Let me see, let me check today's dollar rate. Okay, okay, see over here, it is completing. Okay, see over here, now a message pops up that advertisement validated. That means now it will be credited in our account. Okay, let me check that it's credited or not. Let me check. See over here, 000, all zeros are there. Now we will check. Okay, see over here, today's dollar rate is 70 point this thing. Okay, let me check. 0.001 is how much? See over here, it is 0.071, means for how much it is? 7 paisa, near about 7 paisa. Okay, so over here, see over here, it is coming as like this, 0.001. Okay, so we have done the registration part, and over here also see. Okay, now we will again click one more advertisement, I will show you. Okay, it takes time to load because my net speed is slow. Okay, okay, it came. Now you see it will load. It is saying that waiting for the advertisement to load. Now see over this, cursors like this goes round and round until it completes the whole circle, then the message will get popped up over here. Okay, see, it popped up and said that 0.001 were credited in your account. So I will close again. and I will go again, check this thing. See over here how much it is now showing, this thing. Okay, 0.002. Now I will let you know the another things that you can earn in this. This is the what I am to say is, this is the lowest and lowest payment, actually the work payment. You can earn more and more in this, going to this mini jobs and all that, and the survey option is there, then games options are there. Okay, so now I will let you know regarding this also. If I came over here, then I will let you know. I will close this thing. Okay, so it takes times to load. Actually my net speed is slow. Okay, uh, okay, fine, we came. This over here, figure 8 task is there. Okay, you have to, if you want to make a tour of these, then what is there, you can do this thing, next and all that. You will see this thing that the payment rupees is there, 0.10 cents or something like that. The number of task availability levels and all that, according to your passing level accuracy, the level will be there, first level, second level. If you make more accuracy task and all that, perfect accuracy task efficiently, then you will cross second level, third level and all that. According to that, your payment is also increased in that. See over here, the level badges are there, level 1, level 2, level 3. The first level is level 1, the second is level 2. When we complete with the 70% accuracy of all our works, that is tasks they provide, actually the task providers are from San Francisco and all that, Poland, Europe, America and all that. They provide the auditing task and the website task also, sometimes the survey task also. The research, PhD level researchers also make us to go through with some surveys and all that, so that they are providing some bucks to us, and from that figure 8 save something and give it to us back, another remaining amount. Okay, see over here, now get started. Over here, see over here, the this is it is showing that don't see many jobs you can do. We are getting access to more like this. So get back to this. So they will ask for this number of tasks is availability. Now tasks, because we are new to this, so for the 15 days, first 15 days after registration, you will only able to access the single task, this single task, then 3 to 4, then you will be able to see near about 10 to 20, or how much they available to you, then after, if you make the accuracy level perfect, then you will get access to more and more tasks. Okay, see now this task, if I want to complete it, I can click over here. For that I have to sign in. Okay, for this also, actually you can do this. Okay, I will show it to the next part. Okay, till for this video, actually I will remain stoppable over here only. Okay, because else the video will be extended longer. Now it is service. See over here, the earnings service 0.70 cents. You know 0.70 cents means near about $1. Okay, or not $1. These things, these 85, $1.19, these all actually they used to pay actually when you complete successfully, after giving your honest opinions, sharing your honest opinions to this providers. Okay, service providers. Okay, this is the surveys, then games, then offers, coins and all many more is there. If I will explain these all things now, then the video will get longer and longer. So if you need more and more details regarding this, then please comment in my comment section box on the below this video. Then I will definitely let you know how to complete these surveys and all that, then the detailed videos regarding mini jobs and all that. Actually some of them I have actually recorded the videos, and let you know to how to complete the figure 8 task and all that, and the remaining I will let you know how to complete this. Okay, now okay, that's it guys. For today I have shown you how to create a Neobux account, and how to earn money in this. And my actually record is near about $1,000 I have earned in past 2 years, to be honest. and you also guys can earn more and more, because I used to only spend 2 hours or 1.5 per day, or within 2 days I have to give that much time. So I do as a part-time. So if you are at a home or a homemaker or housewives and all that, then you can earn more and more. Okay, then you have referrals and all that. These referrals actually, that you are referring someone, then that you seen actually the referral link I have taken and registered this account actually. See, so when you the registration will be done with by your referrals, then you will get commissions on that, this all these things. Okay, till then, bye friends, and please subscribe to my channel to get access to more and more videos regarding this. If you have any questions, then you can ask to me. Okay, thank you for today.